Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, open settings, and update iOS if needed, because Siri relies on current speech models. Next, set a passcode or configure Face ID so Siri can operate on the lock screen securely. Make sure the microphone is not obstructed and cellular or Wi-Fi is active. Siri needs a network for full voice processing. Once done, return to Settings and follow the specific Siri setup steps. This primes your phone for voice activation. You now enable Siri. Go to Settings, tap Siri and search, and toggle Listen for Hey Siri. The reason is that Hey Siri trains phrase recognition for your voice. Follow the on-screen prompts to say the sample phrases clearly. Make sure Press Side button for Siri is enabled if you want a manual option. Also, allow Siri on the lock screen for quick access and choose language and voice so responses match your preference and accent. These choices affect responsiveness and privacy. Finish by training Hey Siri with the provided voice prompts so the system adapts to your pronunciation. This improves accuracy. Then test commands like Hey Siri, set a timer for 2 minutes, and what's the weather? To confirm both wake and query handling work. If Siri misses wake words or replies incorrectly, make sure microphone permissions and iOS are updated. Restart the phone and, if necessary, disable and re-enable Listen for Hey Siri. As a last resort, reset network settings or Siri settings to rebuild the recognition data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.